Okay guys, welcome to this next phase of this training where I will be showing you how to make use of the SMTP to create email list and also to run our campaign. But before we run campaign, that is sending email, we need to set up the email list. So I will log in into this SMTP account, close for now, and then from the dashboard you will see come to this list and campaign. This is the two major features that we are going to be using to run your email campaign. So before you run your campaign, you need to set up a list. You click on list. Okay, good. We already have a list there. So you're going to create a new list. So let me show you how to create a new list. You know, I was talking about the list name, email, reply to, and from. So this is how you create that. You know, some persons will receive mail from companies or from individual service providers, and you see the way they arrange their email to, email from, their company name and all that. So this is how you do that. So if you are going to be running email marketing, these are the things that you're going to be doing. You know, this is how you arrange it to suit your clients or your customers' need. So here you're going to put the list name, whichever name that you want to choose. But mind you, the name you use here should be in line with what the particular service you want to render. So this SMTP gives you this platform, that feature to create as many lists as possible as long as you are rendering that particular service. So now I'm going to, let me say, Sunday service. Remember we extracted pastors email from pastors in Nigeria. So at least I want to sound a little bit biblical or religious in this setup right now. So from where you're sending it from, that is the email SMTP that you are using, that is Primail's service. So the description, what description should this email list be? I would say, let's say sermon. Okay, the opt-in and the opt-out. This opt-in, the double opt-in, you just click on single opt-in. What does this single opt-in mean? It means that when you send this email to your client, you don't want to continue to receive confirmation email for anybody that signed into your list. You just want it once and for all. You don't want it multiple. And if you leave it double, anytime each of those your clients sign into your email list, you continue to receive email from your end. So to save yourself from that headache of every now and then you are going there, you just move it. So right here, so this is how you can leave email reply to, because you have access to this particular email. And then you come to these notifications. Notification means that you give your clients or your customers the opportunity to subscribe to your list and also unsubscribe to your list. So you just click on it and choose yes. Yes means that you leave them with that liberty to do whatever they want to do. And also unsubscribe, yes. If you want to also put email to when they subscribe to, which email do they subscribe to, so that you can always have that list of those who subscribe to you. You put the email here. When they unsubscribe, of course they are unsubscribing from this particular email that you are sending from. But you're subscribed to, you want to build a list. You see why I said that this particular SMTP is so wonderful, is so unique, unlike when you are trying to build an organic email list. This also helps you to build an organic email list, because anybody that subscribes into your email, you have the list, you save them for future messages. So you scroll down and come to this other section that is so important, very, very important, because you want to run email marketing. Always take very cognizant attention this particular stage, the company, who are you sending this email for? Let's assume you are sending this email for a particular church, or you're sending it for a particular business. Put their information here, not your own information. Put their information here. If the service you want to also send is for yourself, put your business details here. You understand? So you can station with this, you can station yourself to be email provider or SMTP email marketer. So here now, let me just still use Primas, the country. You can be in Nigeria and be rendering such service for people in other countries, Africa, especially Africans. A lot of Africans are in need of these services. So if you target Africa, you're going to get a lot of customers, a lot of clients calling you to run email marketing for their business. Because when people come to any country, or they want to launch a particular product, you need email marketing to run that. I know that a lot of people always go to influencers, TikTok creators, and what have you, to run their ad and all those stuff. But email marketing is another wonderful tool that you can use. For instance, you are also running an affiliate marketing. You can use this email marketing to run it, this SMTP to run it, and get a whole number of subscribers who come to you. So I'm just taking all these ones to run this training. So these are what you have to choose. You come here, you have industry. Choose the industry that you are rendering this service for. Remember, I will not choose religion, because what I'm doing here, you see, Sunday service, description, sermon. So which industry is religion? The zone, you can choose the zone. If it's new, south, and whatever, you can also leave this without putting. So these are what I do. You always put your phone number, especially when you want people to contact you, and also your website, you also put it there. So having done all these ones, you just scroll down and click on save changes and stay on page or back to list. You have to choose back to list, because you just created this list. You have not uploaded emails that you extracted into this list. So you choose back to list. Wow. So now you can see other lists as email subscribers in them, but this particular one we just created, nothing is in it. So all you need to do is just click on it. Pay very good attention on this step. Click on tools, click on import, and you see here you have SQL import, you have file import. So we are using file import because we save this email, we saved our email in comma separated volume, so not database. So whichever one that you are using, you can always import them. So I'll click on CSV, go to file, choose file. Okay, cool. I'll look for the name I use in saving this file. Okay, I'll say Pastors Niger. This is it. I'll say upload file. So you allow it to upload. If there are any error, this SMTP is going to sort it out. You see, you can see the progress. It's also removing any particular email that will not go through. You can see successful, 212 successful, 2 errors, 100% completed. So this particular email, this reaches and all that will not go through. So we have been able to upload this email into our list. So that is how you can create this and upload email into your list. So we have 212 emails that we have just uploaded. So in the next class that the next video that I'm going to show you is how to run your campaign to send your emails to this number of persons that you have extracted. So stay with me and follow and pay good attention on these steps that we have taken. So see you in the next class.